On this video, we're gonna fix up some damage on this pretty sweet 5th gen Ram dually here. It had some ice damage. It fell, actually it was parked in front of a garage and ice fell off the roof and landed across the hood and put a dent in the fender and smashed the hood here, and got some pretty gnarly damage on this side over here. And the only logical way to fix this hood is to put the upgraded sport hood on it that Ram offers. This thing should look pretty sweet whenever we're done. Follow along through the process. One of the commonly overlooked steps by a lot of shops is even though this is an OEM factory Ram hood, it does not come with the seam sealer underneath of it. So we have to mask it off and apply the seam sealer ourselves, which can be tedious, but it just makes for the nicer finished product. A lot of people have a lot of different techniques for doing this, but I've found that sometimes just taping it off and just running your finger over it once it's spread out makes for the best finish. All of these lines, this is a self-leveling seam sealer. All of these lines will level out and go away and it'll look just like factory. Then once you get everything all spread out, you just pull the tape. The process we used for the spraying on this one was 1 coat of white sealer followed by 3 coats of PPG DVC white base coat, then we glossed it up with 2 coats of PPG DC 3000 clear coat. product, this thing came out sweet. All the paint blended in really nice. Got the new hood on with the scoop on it. The only problem about this job is I'm pretty sure it's gonna make me buy one of these for my own truck. This thing looks good now. But yeah, this thing came out great. So any paint work on your daily driver or your newer truck, we're able to do that as well. We're not all just old stuff.
This truck does knock down like my tooth.
Tell us what you think. Like and subscribe.
Are you looking at me?